Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Director General Shaheen Short and System. Judiciary Notes, page number 11 and 12, dictation speed 100 words per minute. If you want dictation at 80 words per minute, then set speed on 0.75, and if you want dictation at 120 words per minute, then set speed on 1.25. Ready, start. In view of what has been discussed above, these petitions are converted into appeal and the same are allowed, full stop. However, the learned High Court has not decided the matter on merit, semicolon. Therefore, these cases are remanded to the learned High Court, Lahore, Multan bench to decide the case in light of the above findings, observations and guidelines, full stop. Keeping in view the long history of these cases, it is expected that the High Court would decide these cases on merit within a minimum possible time for the sake of substantial justice, full stop. Before parting with this judgment, it is essential to state that these petitions are barred by 2 and 4 days respectively. However, keeping in view the important law points of public importance involved and because right to dowry articles and maintenance is involved, which cannot be lightly ignored. Therefore, the delay of 2 and 4 days respectively in filing these petitions is condoned, full stop. This appeal is directed against the judgment dated 1st July 2013 passed by the learned Additional Session Judge Toba Tek Singh, whereby the appellant was convicted under section 228 PPC and imposed a fine of rupees 200 or in default of payment thereof to undergo simple imprisonment for 1 month, full stop. The brief facts giving rise to the filing of this appeal are that on 1st July 2013, the learned presiding officer was hearing a civil revision when the appellant interrupted the proceedings and started addressing the court by using inappropriate words in a loudly voice, alleging that the court has not decided the petition under section 22A and 22B CRPC filed by the appellant by watching his interest, full stop. The court informed him that after hearing the said revision petition, he will be heard, but the appellant continued using inappropriate language in court, full stop. Consequently, after the proceedings, he was issued a show cause notice through the stenographer Mr. Muhammad Masood Ahmed, but the appellant refused to accept the same and also declined to file any reply to the show cause notice, full stop. He also threatened that he would see to it that how the court continues to work, full stop. After that, the appellant escaped from the courtroom, full stop. Since the occurrence was witnessed by Muhammad Tariq Gujar and Sardar Muhammad Iqbal Dogar advocates, therefore no further evidence was needed, and then the court proceeded to convict the appellant as described and mentioned above, full stop. Hence the present appeal before this court, full stop. The learned counsel for the appellant submits that he is apologetic and throws himself at the mercy of the court, that he regrets his conduct and undertakes that this will never be repeated, semicolon, that the appellant holds the courts at the highest esteem and respect them with the bottom of his heart, semicolon, that the impugned judgment was passed in a hasty manner without observing the procedure, as neither any witness was recorded nor any time was given to the appellant to put his defense, semicolon, that the appellant, being a professional lawyer, will suffer badly if the conviction is not set aside, that the appellant has not insulted the presiding officer or caused interruption in the judicial proceedings, as he simply asked the court in a respectful manner to decide his petition filed under section 22A and 22B CRPC expeditiously, semicolon, that no insulting words were ever used as observed by the learned trial court, semicolon, that tone of the appellant may have caused annoyance to the learned presiding officer, which was never aimed at delinquent conduct to the court, full stop. Lastly, submits that it is the common practice that the lawyers, with the permission of the court, interfere and ask or inform the court regarding some emergent matters which do not. Stop writing, please.